794 AC trucks from Caterpillar have proven to be high-performing, reliable, and cost-effective solutions for mining customers in a variety of applications. Designed and manufactured by Caterpillar, 794 AC trucks are AC electric drive trucks with a rated payload of 327 short tons or 297 metric tons. The onboard AC electric drive system seamlessly works with the CAT C175-16 diesel engine to provide exceptional performance, durability, and serviceability. It comes in 3 different horsepower levels to suit customer preference without having to change any hardware. Available in Tier 4 or lesser regulated country options, high altitude or standard altitude, CAT MineStar Command Ready or non-autonomous, and soon to be trolley ready. The electric drive system is based on many years of experience with diesel-electric locomotives with Progress Rail, as well as the 795F AC fleet. Combined, the CAT Mining Truck's electric drive system has more than 7 million hours in the field. 794s have the highest speed on grade for a given payload. That results in higher productivity, provides fuel efficiency options, and has the best-in-class braking and retarding capability. The high-efficiency body is a very rigid body with a lighter weight than standard bodies. Perimeter beams and curved plates on the bottom and front give the body rigidity with lower weight. That is what makes this body work efficiently without the bolsters you see with other bodies. A unique design aspect of this body is the spring plates that give under-impact loads and deliver a longer life between weld repairs. With a suitable rock box or liner, these bodies will provide you long service. The suspended beam axle has independent front suspensions. Wheel alignment does not change with the load, so constant tire contact results in even wear and longer tire life. This also isolates the frame from road-induced torsional stresses. The front suspensions are independent, do not carry steering braking loads, and can be serviced without removing the front wheels. The front axle also provides a guard for the steering cylinder that is mounted behind the beam axle. The battery box is integrated with a battery isolation switch and contains 8 batteries to ensure starting in any climate condition. The quick change battery box can be removed with a crane or forklift and is easy to service. The engine bay has an access walkway and ladders on either side of the truck. The access walkways are convenient for technicians doing inspections and service work. The frame has straight frame rails with deep cross-section made of fabricated box section. With high-strength steel plates, very few castings mean easier access to inspection and maintenance. This strong, durable frame design has been used in 10 different models since 1990, with over 18 million hours in the field. The fuel tank is a circular design with high-flow fuel fill options to reduce fueling time. We offer both 210 gallons per minute and 300 gallons per minute fuel fill options, as well as either right side or left side fill options. The wheel rims are bolted on and they do not use wedges like some other trucks in the market. Wedges need frequent retightening. Our bolted rims avoid retightening, saving service hours. The final drives are 35-to-1 gear ratio and are designed for higher torque capability with proprietary heat treatment on gears. The final drive oil is circulated through a continuous oil filtration system. This eliminates external oil filtration during preventative maintenance. These trucks use 4-corner wet brakes with multiple discs, are oil-cooled, and have a no-fade design. The brake temperature is constantly monitored, and the operator is alerted if the temperature exceeds standards. Rear axle retarding is still the primary method of reducing the speed. The oil brakes are blended as the trucks slow down below 3 kilometers per hour to ensure positive stopping automatically. The axle housing itself is mounted to the frame through the nose cone joint. The traction motor's cooling air exits through the back of the box. The traction motors are mounted inside the axle box, which means easier access for maintenance. The traction motors are designed and manufactured by Caterpillar. They have the highest power rating for this size class with a very robust thermal rating. One thing you'll notice immediately is the amount of space available for service and inspection. The alternator is dual bearing with a flexible coupling connection to the engine. This arrangement completely isolates the alternator from shaft current issues that could damage the engine main bearings. This eliminates flex mounting and shimming maintenance. The brushless alternator with a set of rotating diodes can be easily serviced through access panels. Both the windings and bearings are monitored for temperature by the electronic control module, so you are alerted of high temperature warnings. The pump drive can be removed as a package, or individual items can be removed as needed. The hydraulic fuel and brake filters are all arranged for convenient access from ground level. The electrical high-voltage cables are arranged on the right side, while the majority of the fluid lines are routed on the left side. Components cooling is provided by a hydraulic-driven blower that sucks air through the inverter cabinet and distributes it to both the alternator and the 2 traction motors. The ducting system is simple and easy to service from the top once the body is up. The hydraulic motor-driven system optimizes cooling and efficiently manages the parasitic losses, so engine power is maximized for traction. The central service station enables easier and quicker service. The deck is spacious for entry and egress. There are 2 normal entry and egress points and 1 emergency ladder. The handrail and toe kick plates are standard for safety. There's an engine bay access door that is conveniently located for maintenance. The inverter cabinet is mounted on isolation mounts and comes with an optional rear platform for maintenance access. The IGBT phase modules are evaporative cooled with filtered air flowing through the phase modules. The inverter cabinet is sealed and air pressurized, so dust ingress is very minimal and reduces the need for frequent cleaning. Overall, it has fewer parts, including 7 phase modules, 6 for the traction motors, and 1 for the retarder. The round electric retarder produces less noise and uniform cooling, and enables better visibility from the operator seat. The retarder is made up of 4 units. If a failure occurs, you only have to replace that section. It is probably the highest capacity retarder in this size. The operator cab is spacious. The operator seat is suspended and has lots of flexibility to personalize. The cab exceeds ISO sound standards at 75 decibels. Load brakes apply only the rear service brakes during loading. This allows the front axle of the machine to give so the overall stresses on the frame are reduced when loading high-impact loads. The brake pedal is a dual pedal. The first 80% of the pedal travel is for retarding, while the remaining 20% brings on hydraulic brakes in case you need that additional braking for emergency situations or sudden poor underfoot conditions. This truck has 37% more retard braking capability than the competition. You rarely have to get into the service brake zone. The brakes have the capability to blend service brakes automatically at lower speeds to stop the truck while in retarding zone of the pedal movement. In addition, the front service brakes are pulsed in automatically during retarding due to poor traction to provide safe 4-corner braking stability. Automatic retarder control is set with a toggle switch and push-pull button. Anti-rollback Traction control and park brake alarms are other safety features that come standard. CAT Advisor on the top panel provides warnings and alarms to the operator. There is a mounting provision for MineStar or Command for Hauling or third-party displays. The 794 AC truck is factory ready for the addition of CAT MineStar Command for Hauling to enable autonomous operation. Command enhances safety by removing operators from hazardous or remote sites, and it improves efficiency, enables consistency in operations, and provides near continuous operation on your site. This system can increase productivity by more than 20%. As you can see, the 794 AC truck is a very powerful, productive, service-friendly machine that will serve you for the long haul.